Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term literature of sensibility. Introduction. Sensibility as a literary and cultural phenomenon emerged during the 18th century as a reaction against the prevailing Stoicism and Thomas Hobbes's view on human nature. It refers to a characteristic way of responding to experience involving perception, thought, and feeling. This cultural movement promoted the idea of innate human benevolence, sympathy, and emotional responsiveness to others' distresses and joys. Sensibility literature reflected and reinforced these ideas, promoting social consciousness and communal responsibility in the face of expanding commercialism and self-interest-driven economy. Sensibility literature. During the 18th century, the literature of sensibility was marked by a shift in focus from the comic or satiric representation of aristocratic sexual license to the virtuous and sentimental portrayal of middle-class life. In the drama of sensibility or sentimental comedy, plays like Richard Steele's The Conscious Lovers and Richard Cumberland's The West Indian depicted monumentally benevolent characters experiencing tribulations to evoke the audience's maximum pleasurable tears. The sentimental novel. Similarly, the novel of sensibility or sentimental novel highlighted the tearful distresses of virtuous characters expressing their emotions either at their own sorrows or those of their friends. Works such as Samuel Richardson's Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, Lawrence Stern's Tristram Shandy, Jean-Jacques Rousseau's Julie, or The New Heloise and Goethe's The Sorrows of Young Werther exemplified this aesthetic sensibility and emotional tribulations. Peak and decline of sensibility. As the vogue of sensibility reached its peak, literary works like Henry Mackenzie's The Man of Feeling presented heroes of exquisite sensibility on the brink of emotional collapse. However, with the decline of the fashion, Jane Austen's satire in Sense and Sensibility marked a shift away from the extreme exploitation of sentimentalism in literature. Markham Ellis in The Politics of Sensibility offers a different perspective on sentimental novels, arguing that they participated in major controversies and reform movements, including opposition to slavery, discussions on commercial morality, and the reformation of prostitutes. Conclusion. In conclusion, the literature of sensibility was a significant cultural phenomenon of the 18th century, promoting ideas of innate benevolence, sympathy, and emotional responsiveness. Although later periods saw a decline in the sentimental fashion, sensibility literature played a crucial role in shaping social consciousness and moral values of its time. So this was the discussion on the term literature of sensibility. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.